is Riley's Farm Day. It's our very favorite day of the whole year. In South Greenville, we have a lot of families that are involved in farming, and so what we do is try to honor that in our community and recognize our community. So we have cows and horses and chickens and goats,
sheep,
and a pig. Can't forget the pig. We also have the fan service. They've come to give us a farmer snack. It's just a day where we can come together and celebrate our Fall on the Farm unit, which is the second unit of instruction that we teach at Riley. Yeah, let's turn it in the field. Good job, farmers! Farm Bureau has brought their tractor simulator.
And a male is called a bull.
It makes our Fall on the Farm unit so real to children when they can actually touch and see and hear the animals that we've been studying about.
This sleigh ride is going to be so much fun.
Fun for the kids and learning for the kids.